Okay, so I apologize for the mic quality. This is just going to be a quick video explaining how to get threads, custom threads working on Fusion 360. So if you want to just, if you can't be bothered watching the video, you can pause this here. So this is the what you're going to have to go through. It's very long-winded to get there, which is why I'm going to sort of go through it in the video, but it's intentionally confusing so you don't get, you know, the access that you shouldn't have. So I'm just going to go ahead here and go exactly where I need to go. This PC. Yeah, it's going to take a while. But yeah, basically users. I'm keeping it up here because it's just so much to go through. Also, with a quick thing with this, with app data, you have to make sure that your view is set to hidden items on, or else these sort of files, see how it's sort of uh, it's like blocked out a little bit, they won't show up otherwise. So you won't be able to tell how to get there. So local, Autodesk, web deploy, production, B7, Fusion, server. I'll explain a little bit when we get into there, sort of how to work it. I do already have a thread set up in it, but you'll see what I mean. Okay, so we've got all of these. Basically, this is where all the thread information is used. If I open this, uh, sorry, if I choose to open with Notepad, then I can see the code, right? So this gives us all the values that is designed for the thread. So I've created a custom one. You can just copy any one of these and then you can change inside the type of thread. So you can see here, I think I copied it from metric tapping threads for plastics. And you can see here, I've got one by one. This is just to show you basically how to use it. So I've got one by one here. And this one, which I copied it from, did not have one by one. So once you do that, you go in, and then when you go into Fusion, let's just draw up something real quick here so we can use the thread. Let's just get a circle. Let's extrude, and then you can see what I mean. So now let's go thread, and now when we've got the drop down, custom threads made by Finn, and then size 1. And now we've got this. We've got our one by one thread and obviously modeled. And there you go. So now you've got your custom very own thread in Fusion. This can be really helpful if some of the stuff in Fusion just isn't really good. A lot of their threads are not very good. Or if you want to make your own sort of threaded screw based system for your own design, you can make whatever you want instead of having to worry about how to make a, like you can do a coil, but instead of having to worry about that, you can just make your own thread with that file. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and let me know how you go. If you have any issues, I'll be responding. Thank you.